Okay, we're getting started with this vlog a little late, but we're about to run off 800 t-shirts. How many shirts is it, Shannon?
800,000.
It's well over 800. Stick around, watch us print 800 something shirts. I'm going to show you guys what we got going on here. We have a full house today. We got Panda and Michelle. Here are all the boxes that the shirts came in. Here's some more shirts. We have about another 100 or so that our client is bringing in. Here is a huge stack of them. This is quite a bit of them. We're about to start everything up. So we're doing a white base. We're doing a print. I moved the flash for this, that way it will flash with the table up. So station number 2 is solely being used as a flash. So if I table this thing up, flash does activate. So there we go. And then we are using a flattening screen just to mesh those fibers down. We got an orange. And then last but not least, I have the white over here, just so I can keep an eye on the levels of this one a little easier. And Shannon is dressing up Panda in a dress for whatever reason.
I am a petite girl. I said, can I wear it? She's like, it's my dress. I said, can I wear it?
Dude, what are you doing? So this is some of the shit I have to deal with every day. And then we got Michelle in here. So there's Michelle getting after separating some artwork. You're separating some artwork, right? Yes. She's separating some artwork. She's been doing a really great job, and you're learning quite a bit, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we showed her how to register this job up a little earlier to help her get a little bit of a better understanding of... God, Panda.
Hello. What? Shannon,
yeah,
your dress.
He's wearing Shannon's dress. Anyhow, so we're going to get started on these. I got to get all these guys focused. I got to wrangle them up. And what I was getting at is that I showed Michelle how everything kind of registers on press, so that way she has a better understanding of how to separate the art out. But let's go ahead and dive right into this. It's recording. There we go. It's recording. All right, well, let's do it to it, Panda.
And Shannon.
Thanks for tuning in. That's about the end of this vlog. I apologize about the sound. I was kind of messing with some of the settings on the camera, so sorry about the distorted kind of sound to it. But if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Until next time, we'll catch you guys later. Peace.